Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alan here from Diggy Details. Now in this video I will compare two spray-on sealants. One from Sonax is quite new on the market. It's called the ceramic spray sealant, and I'll compare it to one of my favorite sealants. It's C2V3 from Gtechniq. So stay tuned guys. Right, obviously you guys know that we always start with cleaning the wheels stage, but we're just going to fast forward through that. As you can see guys, through the rinsing stage, this car's got no protection whatsoever on the paintwork. This actually is my mother-in-law's car, so I thought to myself I'm going to do a good deed, give it a nice wash and some nice protection. So we'll see with which one's the best product to use after the end of the video. We got Sonax ceramic spray sealant, £22 at 750 millilitres, and the second product will be C2V3 from Gtechniq, is £28, and this is a litre. But these products comes in different sort of sizes, so you can get them on Amazon or eBay. Right, so as we're rinsing off the snow film, I'm trying to make this video sort of very user-friendly for everyone. I mean, you can buy these two products very easily. This video is actually more inclining sort of the weekend warriors, or a person doesn't really have time to wash his car properly. Just give it a quick wash and apply some sort of, you know, a sealant or wax, something that's quick and easy to apply and leaves it nice and glossy and gives us some nice protection. So basically these two sort of sealants, from my point of view, they're very user friendly. Everybody can do that, and they give you a nice glossiness for both of them, what I've seen. But I have to compare obviously on this car. This car hasn't been looked after, as you can see guys, had no protection beforehand. I'll show you guys in the beginning of the video, so it's worth just to see, you know, for the normal person, not a detailer, not a professional point of view, just someone who likes to wash his car quickly and just apply something very nice and easy, worthwhile obviously, price and application and durability. I'll show you guys here on the bonnet, come pretty flat, so no protection on this paintwork. I'm going to apply these two products on the windscreen as well, just to see how they bond with this windscreen. Remember guys, this is just a quick wash from a weekend warrior sort of, you know, normal person point of view. It's not going to be polished, not going to be IPA used or decon wash, nothing. Just dried off, and I'm going to start with C2V3 here on the right hand side of the screen, and then I'm going to apply the ceramic spray sealant on the other side. As I said, this sort of video is more related to people that don't have time to do a professional job. They want to get it quickly done and get some shine to that paintwork. Right, so start applying both products now. As you saw how easy that was, it's just spray a couple of sprays onto one of my microfiber towels, and obviously shake the bottle beforehand, and then after you spray the product, you use the second microfiber towel to buff off the product. And that's it. Remember guys, I'll repeat myself now, probably loads of videos, make sure you don't do it in direct sunlight. Don't do it in direct sunlight, that's very important. So now we're going to spray it exactly the same sort of method, but onto the windscreen. Let's see if it holds any washes, or we're not going to do any chemical tests. I'm just going to do it sort of, you know, as I said, to your normal person point of view, just how many washes. I'm just going to wash it down and rinse it off basically to see if it still sort of lasts on the windscreen or onto the paintwork. So both products have been applied onto the windscreen and to the bonnet. Now let's see some water beads and water protection, how quickly that repel the water. So guys, after the application on the windscreen and to the bonnet, the water behavior actually on the ceramic spray sealant from Sonax is not very good onto the windscreen, but on the paintwork both sides are looking very well, very good water behavior. So right, I'm pleased with that. Now we're going to start some normal washes. The fourth wash, obviously the windscreen side with ceramic spray sealant, it didn't last, obviously, not even the first sort of wash. I'm still going strong on both sides of the bonnet on the paintwork. We'll see further down how long it's going to last, these two sort of products. So, well, after five washes I've done on both sides. Just now dried off the car just to compare the glossiness, if there's any difference. From my point of view, they both look actually the same. I don't know about you guys, obviously in the video it looks different than reality, but what I've seen actually in direct sunlight, the reflection on both sides very well actually. So the difference between these two, price a bit, but also the Sonax say that can last 3 to 4 months in right application, but C2V3 up to 6 months. From my point of view, guys, is the C2V3 here for me. I love Sonax products, I love Gtechniq as well, but on this occasion, just a C2V3 from Gtechniq got the upper hand because you can apply it actually on the windscreen as well. So that comes very helpful sometimes. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? You guys make your own opinion, but this is my opinion. Right guys, so in the end, from my point of view, I've chosen the C2V3 as a winner for me in this case. Just got the upper hand. You can apply it on the windscreen as well. And I know, definitely I tested it, 6 months protection. It definitely lasted that long. So yeah, the car looks very nice. I'm happy with the results. My mother-in-law will be very happy. And thanks very much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.